Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing about the important identifying points of the histology of retina. So here you can see I put the actual photomicrograph of the retina. A part of retina is visible here. So what are the structures that are to be seen to identify this as retina? The most striking feature in the histology of retina are the inner nuclear layer. You can see inner nuclear layer. I put the arrow mark here, inner nuclear layer, and then you have the outer nuclear layer, which is quite big. It is bigger than this inner nuclear layer. So you have the outer nuclear layer. So these two important things are very important that to identify this as slide as retina. That is inner nuclear layer and then outer nuclear layer. Apart from this, what are the other layers which are visible here? The inner plexiform layer, the outer plexiform layer. So you can see above this inner nuclear layer, you see the inner plexiform layer, and below this inner nuclear layer you are seeing the outer plexiform layer. Apart from that, you are seeing the layer of rods and cones, and then you also see the pigment cell layer. So this is a classical picture of the histology of retina. In retina, how do you identify this slide? The striking features of the two nuclear layers, inner nuclear layer and the outer nuclear layer. Apart from that, you have an inner plexiform layer and an outer plexiform layer. So these four layers will help you to identify this as retina. Apart from that, you have other layers like the layers of rods and cones and then the pigment cell layer. So usually students do not get confused with the slide of retina with any other slide, because it is very clear and it is classical. Okay, so this is how you identify the slide of retina. Okay, thank you.